everyone, welcome back to Reeta Soul Food. Today we're making avocado toast with poached egg. Just say a massive thank you for all your kind comments for the other recipes I've uploaded, and if you haven't subscribed then please do, and also don't forget to click on the bell notification to be informed of new recipes coming up each week. If you like this video, please like it. Just click on like, it won't take long, and please do share with your friends and family. Spread the word of my channel, Reeta Soul Food, Reeta being spelled R-E-E-T-A. Thank you so much. Let's get started. You'll just need one toast, one avocado and one egg. As I was saying earlier, please do go ahead and subscribe and click the bell notification if you haven't already. The first goal is to get 100 subscribers, and then 1,000, and then to infinity and beyond. So please do join our growing community and let us get there together. Thank you so much. Okay, so back to our recipe. Be really careful when you're cutting the avocado, and we're removing the pip here, so just strike it once, be really careful, and there you go. If you just get the knife in this crisscross action, it will be so much easier to scoop the avocado out. I originally used a fork, but it's actually easier with a spoon, so you can see I've ended up using a spoon, and that can help also crushing it down further before you scoop it. Avocado is so good for you, and it's such a versatile ingredient for your recipes, so I try and use it as much as I can. And also for this recipe we'll also be poaching an egg, so make sure you watch to the end just to see how to poach an egg. This really is such a versatile recipe for a breakfast, for brunch, if you just want something to really kind of keep going throughout the morning and fill you up and provide some nourishment as well. This is the perfect go-to. Okay, so we're ready for the second part, the most exciting part. Here's part 2, how to poach an egg. So I've got a saucepan. I'm going to fill it with boiling water. I've already put the kettle on the boil, so we're just going straight in with already piping hot water. I'm going to go in with 3 splashes of vinegar. This will just help to keep the egg intact. I'll then just be getting a spoon and doing like a swirling motion and keeping that going for at least 2 minutes or so, and this is the tornado that we need to create, which will help to keep the egg intact. You can see that I've cracked the egg prior to us putting it in. I put it in a bowl, so this really does help to take out any bits of the shell if that comes through. And as you can see, it's actually just swirling around itself, so I won't tamper with it, let it do its thing. It's just wrapping around itself, and I'll be leaving this in for a couple of minutes. Now, all in all, I left it cooking for about 4 or 5 minutes, I'd say, and it depends how runny you want the egg. You'll see it's got like a foamy bit at the top, so you can just discard that. But the actual egg at this stage, you can see if I wobble it, it is slightly runny. So if you like it like that, you can take it out at this stage. I do like my egg to be runny, but not too runny, so that's why I've just left it in for a couple of more minutes, and you'll see it starts to float at the top, and it almost indicates itself that it's ready as well. So as I said, you can discard of that frothy bit at the top, and I think we're almost ready to take our egg out now. I've just got a plate ready with a bit of kitchen towel on it. I'll just be using this to drain the excess water from the egg and dab it, so that's just prior to us putting it on the toast that we've prepared earlier. Don't forget to subscribe to join our growing community and for me to upload new recipes each week. Himalayan pink salt for seasoning, coarse black pepper, chili flakes, more chili flakes, Thank you so much for watching my video through to the end. Don't forget to check out all the other recipes on Reeta's Soul Food, where I've got all the other playlists there as well. And thank you so much in advance for subscribing, and welcome to our community. Until the next time, goodbye and see you soon.